If your Apple Watch isn't showing notifications, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. The first solution is check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and select My Watch. Then tap on Notifications and then go ahead and tap on the app from which app you are not getting notifications to your Apple Watch. In my case, I'm just selecting Message, for example, and here ensure that the desired apps have notifications enabled, and then go ahead and connect your Apple Watch with your iPhone with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. To do that, go to your iPhone settings, tap on Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth, and make sure you have connected your Apple Watch to your iPhone with Bluetooth. Then go back from here, tap on Wi-Fi, and make sure you have connected with a stable Wi-Fi network, and then just go ahead and check your notification working or not problem. And the second solution is verify notification settings on Apple Watch. Go to your Apple Watch and press the crown. From App Library, open the Settings app. In Settings, you have to tap on Notifications. Here, enable Notifications Indicator. Also enable Show Summary when locked option. And also, you can turn on this Tap to Show Full Notification option. After that, go ahead and check the issue. If you're still having any issues with your Apple Watch notification, in this case, you can just simply restart your iPhone and your Apple Watch. Sometime restarting your devices can fix this kind of glitches. So just give a simple restart, and now on, hope you should get receiving notifications to your Apple Watch.